How can you change your Instagram stories background color? Like if you want to post something that photo is green, so your background will be green also. How can you change that background on your Instagram story option? So this is quite interesting and a simple trick to do. Firstly, what you have to understand that you just have to update your application from App Store, or if you're using an iPhone, so you can do it on the App Store. And if you're using an Android, so you just have to go on the Google Play Store and update your Instagram application from there. The second step is to go on your Instagram here like this. This is my updated Instagram application, and this video is all about how can you change the background color of your story. This is my homepage on my Instagram. You can see I will scroll to the down. This is homepage. What do you have to do? There is an option called plus in the between. Click on that option and go to the create section on your Instagram. Click on the story here and you will see the first option is create. Click on the create option. You can just select and change the colors from here of your story background. After adding your favorite color, you can add text and anything on this background. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and if you have any type of questions, confusion, or any type of query regarding any application, so just drop it into the comment section. We will make a video on that topic soon. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.